If you are someone who just started working and you don't have any idea how to send emails, how to receive email, how to answer email, then this video is going to be for you so that you can learn and answer properly the emails that you get every single day as working professional. So today we have another word, look into, which you see a lot in emails, but you don't have any idea where to use this look into while answering, while receiving email. You don't know what to do with that. So guys, let's see what is the meaning of it and when can you use it. If you're working somewhere, you're facing any kind of problem and you want a solution for that, you want to write this email to your senior or someone who can solve this problem. At that time, we will use look into this. So basically, look into means to carefully examine or investigate the problem, to resolve the problem, or to get the assurance that someone will resolve this problem. And that can be used by both parties, sender and receiver. If you are sending it to somebody, it means you are the one who is facing problem. And if you're receiving it and you want to reply it, okay, by saying that I give you assurance, you want to assure the person who is facing the problem. We both can use it. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's move further. It is very important that you know where to use it. Where in email you are supposed to use look into. Now, let's see. Number one, P, I, and R. So P stands for problem. Problem. If you have received any problem or any complaint related to something, you want to solve that problem. But remember that it is not immediate solution. Okay? You are going to take some time to investigate. Investigate, okay? You are going to take some time to investigate what in the world this person facing it. Okay? You want to know what in the world happened with that person. So it will take some time. You will take some time, okay? What will you take? You will take some time to investigate the issue which person is facing who is sending you email. You want to take some time to sound more responsible, right? Responsible. You want to sound more responsible. As this is your work, it is your duty to give the assurance to the person who is facing the problem. And also to sound more professional. Sound more professional. By doing that, you sound more professional. You just cannot say, hey, I cannot do anything for that. No, you can do. And if you cannot do, you will also write this email to send your senior so that your senior can look into the problem. Okay? If you are wondering what will be the situation where you can use this look into, what can be the situations? When you are aware of the situation, you can use it in more better way. There are some common situations when you can use this look into in your emails. Email, okay? Number one is technical issue. Number one is technical issue. If you're facing any technical issue, you can write an email using look into. Okay? If you are facing payment problems, you can use the same thing. Next common situation is service complaints. Service complaints. Number 4, and the last common situation is delays. Delays or errors. If you're facing any issue related to internet, software, or system, you can write email to somebody who can resolve this problem. Next is payment problem. If you are facing any payment problem related to billing errors, delayed payment, you can use it. Service complaints, if you have received any complaints that you have sold something and something is not working properly, at that time you would look into the matter. You would look what's going on, what is the complaint is about, or you write somebody who can look into the matter. Next is delayed and errors. Any kind of delayed and errors you can report by using look into. I am going to take one common situation and write an example. You can do the same thing in the comment section. Let's take the number 1 example. Payment issue, okay? Which is most common problem, payment issue. Okay? Payment issue. It is used when there is any mistake in payment or in bill. Suppose you are facing a problem related to payment issue. You can write a phrase which is like kindly look into the billing error. Please kindly, okay? Kindly look into the billing error. The second most common problem is complaint. Complaint. Complaint of any kind is very serious concern of the customer. If there is any complaint and you haven't resolved it, you haven't resolved the problem, what will be the customer saying to you by emailing? Kya bolega wo? The customer wants a solution of the problem. And you can say, sir, we are looking into the matter. We will try to solve your problem, or we will try to give you a solution ASAP. 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 Whoever knows the full form of this will get my like. So whoever knows the meaning of ASAP, let me know in the comment section, okay? So guys, I hope that I have given you every important thing related to this. If you still have any issue or any problem or any confusion, let me know in the comment section. I will look into your problem and concerns, and I'll try to resolve or solve your problem ASAP. So guys, I hope this channel is helping you out in your professional career. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to share with your working professional friend, you want to help him, you don't want to see him getting insulted, or you don't want to see him confused, you can share this video to your friends as well, as helping is the best thing that you can do with the other people. That's why we are here. We all are doing this here. Thank you so much, guys. Let me see you. Bye-bye. Ciao.